Hi, welcome to the course, and if you'll bear with me for just a quick minute, I want to go over some details that you might need to know about taking this course. If you haven't already done so, please download and print off the class materials that are available for this particular course. There's some fill in the blanks, some information that I'd like you to have permanently there. And if you don't have a copy of the friction loss charts, you can go to any manufacturer's website and get that. Or you can use a manufacturer's product catalog, which has all of the friction loss charts printed in the back along with some equations and some information you might need to use there. But you can also go to my website, Irrigation Training/resources, and there you'll find a link to Hunter Industries' PDF package of the friction loss charts. And now as far as the course goes, you can adjust the playback quality. You can go all the way up to 720p or back down if you have bandwidth issues. You can adjust the volume, and you can also adjust the playback speed of these videos. Now, I realize that I have a Southern drawl, and some people say that Southern people talk a little too slow for them. And so if that's the case, you can go ahead and speed that up and breeze on through the course.